So in the last video I discussed that I'm going to start working on the enclosure first. Got lots of wood to cut, so I'm going to get started doing that. So that's all I got for tonight. Did a few pieces, got a couple pages done. I got all the ports cut, as well as the flanges. I got the corner bracing done. One of the inner panels, a couple of the wall panels, couple baffles. I still got a lot more to go, but for tonight, that's all she wrote. I'll get some more cut tomorrow night. Okay, so day 2, more wood cutting. Alright guys, that's it. I got all those pieces cut for the enclosure. Next on the list is going to be to cut out the openings, baffle openings, the port openings. I'm going to have to cut and router out some port stuff, and before I can do that, I need to mount my router in the tabletop here, so maybe I'll do that next tomorrow or sometime in the next couple of days. So that's it for tonight. I managed to beat the sun. Guys, I just wanted to show you all the pieces that are cut. Everything's labeled, you know, and of course I've got my cut sheet, so I have something to look at and hopefully put all these pieces of this big jigsaw puzzle together, and hopefully at the end it'll look something like that. But here is the enclosure and pieces, just about ready to put it together. I have some things to cut and router still on the ports, so all those port pieces, those need to be done. The baffle openings, or the baffle itself, I need to cut the sub holes out of the baffle, port hole, and then another port hole here. That all needs to be cut out and routed out. Unfortunately, I don't have a big enough router table to do that. Here's my little router table I got from Kyle Blackweller a while ago, and while it does work, it is nice, it is not big enough for what I want here. I got a new router, and I'm going to actually put it in this thing here, and then I have lots of space to work with. So that'll happen in the next couple of days, and once I get those pieces cut out and routed and ready to go, I will start assembling all of this, and hopefully we'll start seeing some more progress. So until then,